Hi friends, today we want to discuss the topic place value and value of digits in a given number because every now and then people tend to confuse themselves with the meaning of place value and the value. Place value and value are not the same thing. Okay, this video is basically for primary kids. All right, so place value and value of a number are not the same thing. For proper understanding of the difference between place value and value, let us use money to make this illustration. Supposing you have 100,000 in Nigeria, that is naira. In Nigeria, that money you are having is up to 100,000. But when you now take this 100,000 naira outside Nigeria, it will be converted to a different currency. Maybe if you are going to United States of America, if you convert this 100,000 naira, you see that it will even be less than. Okay, so you've now seen that in Nigeria, that money has a very big value, but outside Nigeria, the value will be limited. Okay, that is the difference between place value and value. The value is 100,000, but in Nigeria, the value it is having in Nigeria is different from the value it has elsewhere. That's just the meaning of value and place value. So, for example, now this number is 5. But when this 5 appears at a certain position in a given number, the value changes. Let's say you have 2, 5, 6, 8. This 5 here is no longer ordinary 5. It's no longer ordinary 5 because here is unit, here is tens, here is hundred, and here is a thousand. Okay, so this 5 is having a value of 500 here, not just 5, because 100 is above it. So the value of 5 here is just 500, but the place value is 100 because it is in this place of 100. So the place value of 5 here is 100, the place value, but the value of 5 here is 500. Have you seen the difference between place value and the value of a number? Now, if I remove this 5 and maybe I write 2, 6, 5, 8, the same number, which is 5, has moved from this particular place to a different position. It is no longer 500 because here the value of it in this place is 50. That is 5 times 10 is 5 times 10, which is 50. So the value of this 5 here is 50. But when this 5 comes here, the value becomes 500. When it comes here, the value becomes 5,000. So you now see that when this 5 move from one place to the other in this number, the value changes. So the place of a number or the place of a digit in a number determines its value. That is why we have place value and value. Please get this difference. The place of a digit in a number determines its value. So if I place this 5 under the tens here, it becomes 50. If I place it under the 100, it becomes 500. And if I place it under the 1,000, it becomes 5,000. So supposing I am asked to find the place value of 6 in this number 86432 I want to find the place value of 6 now. Just write unit, tens, hundred, thousand. Here is now tens of thousand. Why here is now hundreds of thousand. Remember, after hundreds of thousand, that is when you get millions. Now, the place value of 6 here is tens of thousand. But the value of 6 here is 60,000. All right, you see the difference because this is tens of thousand, 60,000. That is the value. If this 6 appears here, the value becomes 6,000. If this 6 appears here, the value becomes 600. If this 6 appears here, the value becomes 6 tens, which is 60. Why this 6 appears here, it becomes unit, 16, which is 6. All right. If this 6 appears here, okay, it's already here, which is tens of thousand, 60,000. If it appears here, it becomes hundred of thousand, which is 600,000. So place value and value are not almost the same thing. But the place of a number or the place of a digit in a number determine its value. That is why if you continue to place a digit in different places in a number, the value will keep on changing. So place value and value are not the same thing, and that is what I want to correct today. Place value and value are not the same thing. The place of a digit in a number determines its value. So finally, for this, the place value of 5 here is 100, while the value of 5 is 500. Thank you so much, and kindly share this video if you've enjoyed what you've watched. Thank you.